Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech and Talk. Today we are talking about three important tools in SQL: and, or, and not operator. So these operator help you filter and search for the data in your database, and I will make sure it's as easy to understand as possible. In this video, we are simplifying SQL operators. No complicated stuff here. It's just a explanation of how and or and not work. Oh, and if you enjoy this content, please consider subscribing. It's really help us to keep making more helpful video. Let's jump into the AND operator. So when to use that AND operator? When you are having a scenario. Suppose you want to filter the record based on your condition, and my first condition should be true and my second condition should be true. So in that case, what I will use, select column 1, column 2 from table name where condition 1 and condition 2. Suppose you want a 3 condition to be a true or 4 condition, then accordingly you can modify this syntax. Next is OR. OR is about options. You are saying I want this condition to be true or the other condition to be true. Then it will filter out your records and in broaden out your result, giving you more choices. And what is the syntax here? Select column 1, column 2, whatever columns you are having from table name where condition 1 or condition 2. So you just need to replace the and with a or here. Lastly, not is like saying I don't want this condition to be true. When you are having such a type of scenario, that time you can use the not operator. It helps you to exclude the things that you don't want in your search result. And the syntax for the not operator is select column 1, column 2 from table name where not and provide your condition to filter out the record. Now I will show you how to use the AND, OR and NOT operator in SQL Server. So we have a fruit table and let's say I want to filter out the record based on my color as well as from name. So what will be my query here? Select star from fruit where name equal to, let's say I want to filter out the record for apple as well as the color, and color is red. Now let me execute this query. So here you can see the record got filtered based on the name as well as color. But here if you notice one thing, the strawberry is not coming in the final response because here we are using the AND operator. But the same thing, if you can execute the same query with OR operator, then it will give you the strawberry as well. So what is the difference between and OR? So in case of and, first and second condition, so whatever the condition you are giving here, so all conditions should be true. And in case of or, either or. So this is either or, so first or second. So any of the conditions should be true in that case. So that is the difference between the and or operator. Suppose you are having a scenario, you don't want an apple in your final result now. Then in that case you can use the not operator. So what will be my query? Select star from fruit where name, you can write first name equal to apple where query first and only append here as a not. Then you will get a result which is not having apple in the final response. So here you can see you are not getting the apple here because we are using the not operator here. So similar way you can modify your query. Let's say I don't want a color orange also. Then I will use not color equal to orange. Here you can see now the apple and the color orange is eliminated from the response. So here in this way you can use the and, or and not operator and you can modify the query accordingly. That's it. We have covered and, or and not operator. These are the SQL tools for making searches precise and giving you option and flexibility to exclude the things that you don't want in your result. So thanks for hanging out with us on Tech and Talk. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button. Your support keeps us going. If you have a question or ideas for future videos, drop them in the comment below. Until next time, keep it simple and keep querying.